do you want to see? What do you want to share with me?
What's up guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Cassie for those of you who are new, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for checking out today's video. I know I've not been the most consistent around here, but guess what, your girl is back and I'm working on creating content more frequently. Okay, but for today's video I want to share the tea on how I edit my Instagram pictures to give it that, you know, brown aesthetic feel. Okay, and this is because I'm getting a lot of requests on this, but your girl has been lazy, your girl has not been taking it serious. Like, I just felt like there are 1,000,001 tutorials on this on YouTube already, but you know what, people want to hear from me and I am here to deliver. Okay. Moving straight into the video, I'm going to just be talking about how I use the Lightroom app to achieve this brown aesthetic preset. Yes, so if that is what you are here for, please stick around and let's get straight into it. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'm still gonna insert it somewhere on the screen. So when I posted this picture, a lot of people were asking me how I edited the picture and how I got it to look like that, sort of. So this is like a run through of all my edited pictures using Lightroom. So this is the picture we're going to be editing today. So right now I'm going to open the Lightroom app and then we're going to start editing. Okay, are you guys ready? Are you ready? Okay, so I have it opened up already. I'm going to record my screen and of course lay it on the screen for you guys to see and follow up while I just talk to you guys and tell you what I'm doing basically. So once you click on the app, this is what the layout looks like. This is what you first see, and then you want to click on all photos, and that is just going to take you to where all your pictures are located. Right here I just have pictures that I've edited or I want to edit. And yeah, so to import a new photo, you just click on the plus sign and that will take you to your phone's folder where you can choose whatever picture you want to import and edit. So after importing the picture, you then locate it, click on it, and then you can start editing. So what I like to start with is the light tool, and here I'll just take down the exposure to -26, and then I'll take the contrast to -46. You take the highlights down to -70. Then we're going to take the shadows up to +86. You just have to be patient with it. It can be frustrating at times, but then you get it. Yeah, so there we go. Okay, we're taking the white all the way down to -100, and then the black we're taking it to -62. And that is all I basically do with the light tool. And yeah, let me just show you the before and the after. Next we're going to go to the color tool, and I'm starting with tints. We're going to take tints up to 5 +5. We are going to reduce the vibrance to -9 and then up the saturation to +5. We are going to move to mix. Click on mix, and we're starting with the red color. Take the hue down to -16. We're going to move the saturation to +18 and then take the luminance down to -18. Moving on to the orange color, we'll take the hue to +2, saturation +11, and the luminance +12. The next color is yellow. We're taking hue down to -61, and then we'll be taking saturation down to -88, and then luminance is +66. Green is the next color, and then we're taking hue to -13. Saturation is minus 56, and then luminous is minus 38. We'll move to the next color now, which is teal, and luminous is minus 80, saturation is plus 30, and luminous is minus 33. Next is the blue color, and hue is minus 22, saturation is minus 20, and luminous is minus 32. For purple, hue is minus 22, saturation is minus 20, and luminous is minus 32. The last color is pink, and hue is plus 14, saturation plus 39, and luminous is minus 42. I know it seems like a long process, guys, but don't worry, our picture is coming together. We're almost there, but not quite yet. So this is what it's looking like now, and yeah, so far so good. We are going to the effects tool next, and I'm going to take texture up to plus 12, clarity to plus 25, and the ace to plus 18. And that is all I basically touch in this tool, and I move to the next one. We're going to move now to the detail tool. Click on it and take sharpening up to 15. Radius is 1.30, detail is 25, masking is 27, and then we're going to go all the way down and find color noise reduction. Then we're going to take it to 17. I do not touch the detail there. Detail is 50. Leave it as it is, and just take the smoothness to 70. So we are finally done editing, guys, and that is all I basically do to achieve the brown preset on my page. You can see the before and the beautiful after. I know it's a long process, which is why I'm going to share with you a few tips on how to edit your pictures on the go and snappy as well, just so you don't have to go through this entire process every single time. All you have to do is click on the three dots at the top right corner, and it's going to bring out this banner, and you're going to click on copy settings, and all you have to do is click on the tick check right up at the right side of the top corner, and that's it, guys. It's ready to be pasted on another picture. So here's an example using this picture. All you have to do is click on the three dots at the top right, click on paste, and it will just paste the settings of the edited picture we copied from, and there you have it, guys. Easy peasy. This is the before and after. Here's another picture example, pasting the settings, and there's your after, and another one, and another one. Here's another tip, just so you don't lose your preset edit. Just click on the three dots at the top right corner. You will see create preset, and you want to click on that. It will take you to this page where you can name your preset anything you want. And yeah, when you're done, you just click save, and that is it, guys. That is all you need to do. So whenever you're ready to edit a new picture, all you have to do is go to your toolbar, scroll till you see preset, click on it, and then you will see user preset. That's what you want to click on, and it will take you to where all your saved presets are. And then you just tap on the one you want, and it will apply on the picture, and then you save. And that is it, guys. That is all I have for you. Okay, guys, that is the end of our editing for today. I hope you guys got what I got. Obviously, if you're following through, you get the same result as I got. So yeah, if you have any questions whatsoever, do let me know in the comments, or you can DM me on Instagram. Okay, I reply on my DMs, I read all my comments. So yeah, that is it, guys. Very simple, very easy, not too difficult. I don't touch a lot of things because I just want something snappy and sharp, just so when I'm on the go I can also edit. But bear in mind that all your pictures, when applying this preset to other pictures you might take, they might not come out the same way. They might be too harsh or too dark or too bright, and that is okay. It happens a lot of times, and the reason is because a lot of times you're not taking the pictures in the same environment, and so the lighting comes to play, the background comes to play, what you're wearing comes to play as well, the colors in your environment comes to play. So all you have to do is tweak the edit. If there are any other Lightroom presets you would like me to do a tutorial on, please do let me know, and I'll get straight to doing that for you guys, just because we're friends, we're cousins, we're G's at this point, and yeah, I just like to share what I know. And yeah, and like the video said, we rise by lifting others. I love you guys. See you guys next time. Please do not forget to click on the subscribe button if you have not subscribed already. Like, share, and leave a comment. See you next time. Bye.